If you love pickles, then you'll absolutely love these delicious dill pickles in a blanket. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I'm making the easiest appetizer ever. It'll be great as an appetizer for a lunch, a quick snack, whatever you want. I am making ham and dill pickle in a blanket. Yep, that's what I said. Instead of pigs in a blanket, it's pickle in a blanket. It is, you know, that crescent roll. It's nice and flaky. You get that tanginess of the pickle. Is absolutely delicious. So let me stop talking. We'll go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so I have some garlic powder. I just have some deli low sodium ham. Black Forest ham would work great. I just bought this because this is what everyone in my house likes, but Black Forest ham would be really good. I have the Crescent kosher dill sandwich pickles. I like the slices instead of the spears, but you can absolutely do the spears if you would like. I have some dill weed, everything bagel seasoning, some crescent rolls, butter, and of course you all know I love my Mexican cheese, but you can absolutely use cheddar cheese. So this is all the ingredients. Let's get started. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do is get our pickles and pat them dry. I am just doing 4 of these instead of 8. Because I'm the only one that's going to eat them, and I do not need 8 of these. Alrighty, so we're just going to pat our pickles dry. You know, if you don't do this step, they end up getting all soggy and yucky. So let's go ahead and pat them dry. Okay, we're going to put that aside, and now we're going to go ahead and bring over our tray, and we are going to open up our crescent rolls. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh, a little on the loud side. Alrighty, let's get this open. Oh my goodness. Ooh, they're sticky. I'm only going to use 4 of these. Now, find something else to do with the rest of them. So let me put this aside. Put it right there. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and separate the 4 of these. Oh my goodness. Is this what happens when you buy the off-brand, the giant brand? They smell good though. I'll tell you that. Alrighty. Okay, let me go ahead and wash my hands real quick and then we'll put them together. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take a piece of ham and one of my pickles, pat it a little bit more. We're going to roll this in the ham just like that. And we're going to place it right at the top of our crescent roll dough. We're going to do this for all 4 or 8, however many you end up making. Just folding it like that. Putting it right there at the top. Another one. Like that. And then the last one. And now we're going to go ahead and take our crescent roll dough and fold it over our ham and pickle, just like that. They're not going to be overly pretty, but that's okay. There we go. That. And then this one. Oh, that, my friends, is my oven just came up to temperature. I have it on 375, and it's now up to temperature. All right, let me wash my hands, and then we will put the seasoning on the top, and we'll get them in the oven. Alrighty, so we are going to melt about a tablespoon of butter. If you're doing 8 of these, you want to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Like I said, I'm just doing the half in the recipe. So what am I doing? I'm going to go ahead, melt this real quick, and then we're going to add our seasonings and then brush it on top. Alrighty, so we have our butter melted, and now we're going to do a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half teaspoon of dry dill. And we're just going to mix these 2 up. Just like that. And I do not have my brush because I am not at home. I'm at the beach, so we're just going to drizzle and then smear it on. Because I don't have my brush. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do that. Yum! I'm excited for these. Alrighty, and now if you want, you don't have to do this. I'm going to add a little bit of everything bagel seasoning on it. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of cheese, just a little bit. Okay, can I ever do just a little bit? You all know. You all know me by now. I'm shocked Benny hasn't come running in. All right, so now I'm going to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in for about 12 to 15 minutes. We'll check it at the 12 mark and see where we're at. So let's go ahead and get this in the oven. Alrighty. All right, I'll see you in a few. All right, friends. I ended up putting it in for an extra 2 minutes. So it's been in there for a total of 14 minutes. Look at that. Does that look delicious? Oh my goodness. Turn the oven off before I forget. Look at that. Yum. Alrighty, let's let this cool down a little bit and then we'll do our taste test. All right, my friends, so here they are. They smell so good. I cut them in half, one of them in half, so you can see up close. As always, there'll be pictures at the end. I always like to do pictures of everything so you can kind of see it. So let's do a quick taste test. Oh yeah, delicious. These are really good. It's just the right pickle flavor for me. If you want a whole lot more pickle flavor, use the spears, but the sandwich ones are the ones that I prefer. Because I like more of a balance. Hot. These are absolutely delicious, friends. Absolutely delicious. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. Also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.